Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to compress or how you can save multiple PSD files to a single PDF without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right there is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and navigate to File. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, navigate to Automate, then proceed to PDF Presentation. Click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. Now, if you have not opened the PDF file in your Photoshop workspace, you can browse all the files that you want to compress into PDF right here. But if you have already opened them in your Photoshop workspace, you are going to see the list of all the files that you want to export into a single PDF file. So in this tutorial, I want to import some of the PDF file. For that, I will go ahead and click on Browse right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select all the PSD file that I want to compress into PDF. So I'm going to select this file and this particular one right here. I'll press Ctrl key down. I will select this. So I can scroll down right here. I will select this one right here also. Ctrl key down and select. And I will go ahead and select this. I'm going to go ahead and press Ctrl key down to select this. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on Open. Boom. Then we have all the file right here, just like so. Now, should in case you make a mistake to import a wrong file, you can remove it from here. Just select on the particular file you want to remove, and then go ahead and click on Remove. Then you have the three right here, just like so. So the next thing you want to do right here is to come to the sidebar right here, Save as Multi-Page Document. Okay, and then you can add file name. This will make it easy for you when you have filled the PDF file. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Then you have the format as multi-page document, which is PDF. Go ahead and enter the name of the file. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your file destination. I'm going to save this to my desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And this is going to pump up right here. So here, you need to check or you need to do proper settings. So at this point right here, you have Adobe Acrobat 5. You can click on here and choose any Adobe Acrobat fashion options right here. So I'm going to leave it in this one right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save PDF right here, down below right here. Click on Save PDF. Successfully save as PDF file. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead, minimize my PSD file right here, and then we have the PDF right here, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to open up the PDF file. So I will simply drag it to my PDF viewer right here. So for us to open the PDF file, we want to make sure we click on it, and then you can use any PDF viewer you have on your Windows PC. So I'm having Adobe Acrobat right here. So whichever PDF file you have, just drag the file from here into the PDF viewer, and in a few seconds, it's going to load up, just like what you see right here. Now we have it in PDF file format, about 2 or 3 different PSD file right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to work with Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.